So with the entire track and field fraternity still waxing lyrical about that superb 9.86 run by the new star on the block, Oblique Seville, what do not take the Maverick and big sports commentary for? We don't have opinion too. And right away, we go to the execution of the race. The smoothness of the race distribution from the drive phase to the middle phase to the top end phase, easing up at 90. This could easily have been 9.81 and 9.80. And as the guru himself, Glenn Mills confirmed after the race, Seville can go even faster with better race execution. Whoa! What a hard task, master! And look, everybody knows that since the retirement of Usain Bolt, male sprinting in Jamaica has been an embarrassment. The generation between Bolt and now Seville, for one reason or another, they all flattered to deceive. So you understand people getting excited at seeing a young Jamaican 100-meter male sprinter looking this impressive and running this fast. Any athlete dropping 9.86, easing down to the line in May, could conceivably see the medal podium in Oregon and make Jamaica get bossy and hype again. Yeah, man, Oblique Seville, show them your skin so we can beat the chest again. Yes, man.